Big Brother 27 has been full of twists, blindsides, and unpredictable power shifts, but week the 9th of May be remembered as the turning point of the entire season. The new head of household has not only secured safety for themselves during a critical stage of the game, but their strategic position, social relationships, and ability to make bold moves could ultimately put them on track to win it all. Spoilers from the live feeds and inside sources reveal that this HOH's reign may go down as one of the most important in Big Brother history and set the stage for how the rest of the season unfolds. The head of household crown is never just about safety, it is about control. In a season as chaotic as Big Brother 27, where alliances have shattered almost as quickly as they've formed, winning Ho in week 9 means controlling the path toward the final 5. With so few players left in the game, each decision has a lasting ripple effect. This week's Ho already had strong social ties and was seen as someone who could fly under the radar long enough to make a deep run, but with this win, they've gone from being a strong contender to potentially the most powerful player left in the house. What makes this Ho reign even more crucial is timing. At this stage of the competition, every house guest is looking ahead to jury votes. Being Ho gives someone not just the chance to eliminate a threat, but also to shape their endgame narrative. In the past, players who won critical late-game HOHs were able to use those victories as evidence of their dominance. Fans who follow the live feeds are already buzzing that this move may be the one that secures this week's Ho spot in the finale chairs. The game board going into week 9 was messy. Several alliances had crumbled, with house guests turning on each other after weeks of lies and half-promises. 2 showmances had been targeted, 1 secret duo was exposed, and the so-called majority alliance from the early weeks no longer existed in any real form. This meant the new Ho had the freedom to strike where they wanted without being bound by any strong alliance loyalties. In fact, what makes this week so intriguing is that the Ho has the chance to make a move that not only reshapes the house but also makes a compelling case for jury votes. Down the line, spoilers suggest that the Ho wasted no time plotting their nominations. While some house guests hoped for a safe week where pawns were put up and the game could coast another round, this Ho seems to be thinking about legacy. Their plan targets a major player who has been both socially influential and a strong competitor. Eliminating this target would be a resume move that no jury could ignore. On the other hand, there is risk. Making a bold move this late could paint the Ho as a threat themselves, but given their already solid relationships, this risk might actually work in their favor. One of the reasons fans believe this Ho could win it all is their adaptability. Throughout the season, they have proven they can read the room and adjust their game plan depending on shifting dynamics. When alliances broke down, they weren't left scrambling but instead positioned themselves as a reliable ally to multiple sides. They have not been at the center of every power move, but they have been in the background of most of them, ensuring they were always in a good spot no matter who was in CH. That adaptability is what separates winners from those who simply make it deep in the game. Another factor working in this HOH's favor is their relationship with the jury. Many jury members respect bold gameplay, and those who were blindsided earlier in the season may already see this player as someone who had the guts to make moves. Winning an Ho at this stage adds to that resume. If they are able to follow this up with a key veto win or another Ho in the coming weeks, they could walk into finale night with undeniable proof of their dominance. Fans on social media have been split. Some argue that this HOH's move is brilliant and will go down as one of the highlights of Big Brother 27. Others think it may backfire if the remaining house guests band together to take them out next week. Still, most agree that even if their reign paints a target on their back, the fact that they've made it this far while staying off the block for much of the season shows how strong their social game really is. If they can survive the immediate backlash, they might just have what it takes to make it to the end. The Big Brother house is always unpredictable, and nothing is certain until eviction night. The veto competition could change everything, and a surprise twist could still shake up the house. However, what's clear is that this Ho win is not just about surviving another week, it's about setting up an endgame path that could lead directly to the $750,000 prize. Big Brother history shows us that timing is everything, and winning the right competitions at the right moment is what often separates winners from runners-up. Week 9's Ho seems to understand that perfectly. Big Brother fans love to debate strategy, and this week has already sparked endless conversations online. Should the Ho take the safe route and nominate floaters to avoid blood on their hands, or should they go for the jugular and make a move that changes the game forever? If the latter happens and the target is successfully evicted, the legacy of the season may be rewritten. Fans who watch the feeds know how quickly momentum can shift, but the truth is this: Week 9's Ho could very well be the moment that decides who wins Big Brother 27. Whether you're rooting for them or hoping to see their downfall, one thing is certain: this head of household has made Big Brother 27 more thrilling than ever. Their choices this week will echo all the way to finale night, and as fans wait for the veto results and the eviction vote, the anticipation is higher than ever. This could be the week we look back on as the turning point where the eventual winner of Big Brother 27 cemented their path to victory. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.